Excuse me, sir. May I help you?
Yes, please. I need to cross the road.
Of course. This road is very busy.
Yes, the traffic is heavy today.
Let's wait for the traffic light to turn green.
That's a good idea.
Please stand here, away from the road.
Thank you for being careful. You're welcome. I'm happy to help. The signal will change soon.
Yes. Oh, it's green now. Let's cross slowly.
Okay, let's go.
Please hold my arm for support.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
No problem. Take your time.
We should stay on the zebra crossing.
Yes, it's safer here. Watch out, there's a bike on the left.
Oh, I see it now.
We still have enough time.
That's good.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
Please don't rush.
I won't.
We're almost there. Yes, I can see the footpath.
We crossed safely. I feel relieved.
Would you like to sit and rest for a moment?
Yes, that would be nice.
There's a bench nearby.
Thank you very much.
Do you need help with anything else?
No, I'll be fine now.
Please be careful on your way.
I will. Safety comes first.
I'm glad I could help.
Young people like you give me hope.
That's very kind of you.
Have a nice day, my son.
You too, sir. Stay safe.
Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
What seems to be the problem today?
I'm not feeling well.
Can you tell me your symptoms?
I have a cough and a fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Is the cough dry or wet?
It's mostly dry.
Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, a little.
Any headaches or body pain?
Yes, I have body aches.
Have you checked your temperature?
Yes, it was 101 degrees.
That is a mild fever.
Is it serious?
No, it's not serious. You have a mild infection.
That's a relief. What should I do?
I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Take this cough syrup twice a day.
Twice a day. Okay,
Take these tablets after food.
got it.
Drink plenty of warm water and get enough rest.
I will.
Avoid cold drinks for a few days.
I understand.
If the fever continues, please come back.
Okay, doctor.
You should feel better in a few days.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Take care.
Hello, Alex. Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, Linda. I'm ready.
Today, we will practice English tenses.
That sounds great.
Let's start with the present tense. We use it for daily activities.
Like, I study English every day.
Excellent sentence.
I wake up early in the morning.
Very good. Now, let's talk about the present continuous tense.
That's for actions happening now, right?
Yes. For example, I am teaching now.
And I am learning English now.
Perfect. Now, let's move to the past tense.
We use it for finished actions.
Exactly. What did you do yesterday?
I watched an English video.
Good. How do we form the past tense?
We add ed to regular verbs.
Correct. And irregular verbs?
They change form, like go becomes went.
Excellent. Now let's talk about the future tense.
We use will or going to.
Right. I will study English tomorrow.
And I am going to practice speaking tonight.
Very good. Now let's practice all 3 tenses.
I read English books every day. I finished my homework yesterday. I will practice grammar tomorrow.
Excellent use of tenses.
I feel more confident now.
That's great. Practice makes it easy.
I will keep practicing every day.
You are on the right path.
Hello, my name is Alex.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm Linda.
Nice to meet you too, Linda. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking. It's a good day.
Yes, it is. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm new here.
Oh, welcome. I hope you like this place.
Thank you. Everyone seems very friendly.
That's true. Where are you from, Alex?
I'm from the United States. What about you?
I'm from India.
That's interesting. India is a beautiful country.
Thank you. Have you visited India before?
No, I haven't, but I'd love to visit someday.
You should. The food and culture are amazing.
That sounds great. What do you do, Linda?
I'm a student. I'm learning English. What about you?
I'm also learning English. I want to improve my speaking.
Me too. Practice really helps.
Yes, I try to practice every day.
That's a good habit. How long have you been studying English?
For about 1 year. And you?
I started 6 months ago.
You speak very well.
Thank you. You speak well too.
Thanks. It's nice talking to you.
It's nice talking to you too.
I hope we can practice English together again.
Yes, that would be great.
Well, it was great to meet you, Linda.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. See you soon.
See you. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.